In this video, I will be reviewing the Cosmic Byte CB-GK14 series. Let us see what is on the box. It is a Bluetooth RGB mechanical keyboard, supports both Bluetooth and USB connection. Also has anti-ghosting mechanism. Anti-ghosting means it is possible to press more than 6 keystrokes at a time. Now let us open the box. Actually, I have already opened the box and used the keyboard for almost 10 days. Now let's get into it. You can find the user manual, the micro USB cable, and the key remover. And the keyboard itself. It has 3 Bluetooth buttons for connecting up to 3 devices. It has indicators for battery, Bluetooth, scroll lock and caps lock. As you can listen, the keys are very tactile and has a very satisfying click sound. It has 2 knobs, one of which is used for changing RGB modes and the other one is for changing the volume. I am using the keyboard as my daily driver and the experience is very good. The key spacing is also good, which makes the typing experience exceptionally smooth and easy. There are many types of key switches like Cherry MX Red, Kailh Speed Silver, Cherry MX Brown, Kailh Speed Copper and Cherry MX Blue. This keyboard has Cherry MX Blue switches which have high key travel and satisfying click sound. The back is made up of high quality plastic. The on-off switch is located at the back side of the keyboard. It is small. It would be nice if it is in the front and for easy access. The keyboard is powered by 1000 mAh battery for a normal day usage, which lasts around 1 week. The keyboard is not portable as it weighs around 800 grams. One of the drawbacks of this keyboard is there is no height adjustment, so one might find it difficult to get used to typing without proper tilt or angle. Now let us see how to connect it to a device. First, press one of the 3 Bluetooth buttons and then press the main Bluetooth button for 5 seconds. The keyboard appears in the nearby Bluetooth devices as a Cosmic Byte series. The typing experience is as good as you'd expect from a good mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is also good at night. It has 8 modes. You can change the mode by pressing the left knob.